So the question is calculate the maximum elongation of a steel wire, whereas the original length and the elastic limit and Young's modulus of a wire is given in the question. It's known that the Young's modulus can be calculated using a formula stress over strain. It's known that stress can be calculated using a formula force divided by area, whereas strain in terms of change in the length can be calculated using a formula del L divided by L. So here we can rearrange the equation as F divided by A times L divided by del L. So here the question is about calculating the change in the length del L. So we can rearrange the equation as del L is equal F dot L divided by A times Y Young's modulus. It's known that F is representing the value of force, but there is no detail about the force in the question. Instead of force, there is a detail about the elastic limit. It's known that force is equal to elastic limit times area. So based on that, if we are rearranging an equation, del L will be equal to elastic limit times area times L divided by A times Y. When we are simplifying the similar terms, we will get the expression for del L as elastic limit times original length L divided by Y Young's modulus. Whereas the value of elastic limit is given as 8 times 10 to the power 8 Newton per meter square. Whereas the value of Young's modulus is given as 2 times 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. Whereas the original length is given as 1. When we are applying all the values, del L will be equal to 8 times 10 to the power 8 times 1 divided by 2 times 10 to the power 11. So when we are simplifying the terms, it will be equal to 4 times 10 to the power negative 3 with the unit of meter. But in the option, everything with the unit of millimeter. So we can write our answer as 4 millimeter because it's known that 10 to the power negative 3 will represent milli. So the correct answer here is option C.